You see if me cut you off today? Suck your mama. Me never need you from first. I don't need nothing at all from human beings. Only for if you leave me alone. I
So, we not talk everything on the live, and we not talk about pretty that wife left him.
Mama, alright, so we can use that.
Oh, that never did come up. Oh, you never said nothing. And you know you never said nothing. I not like when you keep me in the dark.
Me like, Prettiidon, but Prettiidon just get a hype. Big up to Prettiidon, and Prettiidon have understand she have to take beating. Even think me say after that I gonna be bad, but me still have to say big up because we all in a game. Prettiidon knows say she go lose when she touch certain people. Look what she do on Sizzle Awadi and all of them something there. Okay, good. Look on Fair Life now. So the bottom line is she feel away because it in the media. But what I want to say to the people, uno no give me my flowers as a reader, man. When me tell Prettiidon last year, say, me see a split in her relationship. She and the blood clot girl left. You know, she said in the video, say 9 blood clot months that now she and the woman in a problem. So when me get the reading, go watch back the face. She and the woman definitely blood clot left. You know why Prettiidon they go apologize, bring tell them no come apologize that say she apologize to the girl? Because guess what? When me go cuss and mix up say $700 and me make the scandal worse. Because when RT go dig up the file and say, remember your woman left you, I'm gonna breed. And the 7 because remember my mouth bad. So and the girl no bex and a cuss. And no, that's why she come and apologize. But my wife, you know, we don't want to get into them something. And she call me a Miss Bling. And I tell me no, say, me feel Lego that. Because because she and her woman mash up.
But she turned around the story. Well, that's why if me listen to you, me can't go wrong because she turned on the fucking story when she say how me say, oh, all right, me I go fix it, me I go fix it. I did say me I go fix it, but the only reason why I said me I go fix it is because of the way how she that won.
Prettiidon just like she did to her. And if nobody don't know this today, let me tell you this. Prettiidon weakness is her wife. And that is why I shake her tree so brawling. Because even when me get the reading, you know, people style me, let me know, I wouldn't believe in me. But you know, make sure I say it, watch back the clip. Me say a big scandal. But me not like that for you. Listen, everybody knows that Queen Prettiidon I made. You know, she said the woman had look how Prettiidon move when they deal with him wife. But the bottom line, the girl tired of the beating. The girl tired of the beating and the abuse and them something she wrote. Prettiidon go. Fair Life, I read news now. Make we laugh, make we chat. Look how much they chat people. Hey people, what are we making? Bling in the system, my name and I book again.
Watch the back, look at the back. Lead it up. Chip chop. Get them the dance now.